Hello everybody and welcome back to Nan with a Backpack. Just recently I have been contacted by a company called BAGSMART and they have sent to me a couple of their backpacks to look at. In this one we are looking at the wheeled backpack of 43 litres. So recently BAGSMART sent me the Blast 28 litre. I made a little video of that and I was so impressed. Jump forward, I went away for a few days, came back and there is another little parcel sat on the doorstep from BAGSMART, and this time it is a bigger backpack. Oh, there we go. Right, let me get rid of the box. This is a backpack on wheels. Okay, so let's cover the specs to this. So they say that this backpack is designed for a 1 to 2 week trip, but to be honest, I could definitely travel indefinitely with it at 43 litres, although it does weigh 3 kilos, so it's not the lightest. It measures 55 by 35 by 23, which it's right on the border for cabin luggage, so do check with your airline because I think for some Europeans it might be slightly too big. It's got an RFID blocking pocket to keep your cards safe, which, you know, it is so well hidden that I almost missed that. I actually had to go searching for it. It's got the concealed wheel cover, which protects your clothes when you're wearing it as a backpack, which is such a great touch. It really is, because I thought, well, if you put this on your back, you might well find that the wheels get your clothes dirty, but they've actually thought of everything. There's also an anti-tip rest bar, which is this one here. So it keeps it upright, and it also doubles, I don't know if you can see just here, it doubles as a handle as well, which is, again, a really nice touch. They have thought of everything. You do get 3 grab handles, one on this top bit here, one on the side, and one on this bottom bit, so you can kind of yank it out of tuk-tuks or overhead lockers or boats, however it is that you're traveling. It's always nice to have lots of handles so that you can grab it from any side. And there's also at the top here, there's a top pocket for, I don't know, passport, boarding pass. I would probably put a charger in there with a cable, so if I need it, it's right there and I don't have to dig through the bag. And oh yeah, there is an elastic water bottle pocket as well, which fits up, they do say, up to a 30 ounces bottle. Pretty generous. Or I suppose you could always put a what are they called tripod on there as well. Backpack mode, when you want to switch from like the wheeled bag to the backpack mode, the padded shoulder straps here, they come out of their little hiding place and clip on to those 2 little clips on the side. And there is a sternum strap as well for extra support. And on the sides, there's compression straps as well. It doesn't have a hip belt, but with the compression straps and that, it will keep it stable. I think it'll be okay for short hauls, but I wouldn't like to carry this for long walks, in all honesty. I think it is more of a wheelie bag than walking around with it on your back. Well, for me anyway, because I'm not the strongest person in the world. The interior organization. So inside it actually opens up like a suitcase, which I love. No digging blindly into a top loader. I can't cope with the ones where you just have one hole at the top and you got to dig through. That's not for me. There is a large mesh pocket so on the side here. To be fair, I probably wouldn't put too much in there, maybe sort of like, I don't know, paperwork or something like that, but it just keeps it tidy and out the way. On the front of this flap that lifts up, there's actually a lockable padded laptop compartment that fits up to a 15.6 laptop. My laptop's only 13, so it fits really well. You do have to obviously provide your own lock. There's no lock on there, but it's nice that because it's on the outside and not next to your back, it is nice that it's got a lock. So yeah. And actually just above that, there's a bright orange zipper, and that is like a velvety lined pocket. So you can put your glasses or sunglasses or whatever in there. There are two things that I didn't expect. So inside, when I first opened it, there are these two like support rods that give the bag shape. They can be taken out if you want to save weight or squish it down. Yeah, it just gives the bag more shape, which is, again, it's a nice touch. It really is. Yeah, the whole thing just feels really well thought out, in all honesty, with some really nice touches. So downsides, because of course it's not perfect, and I think the biggest thing for me is at 3 kilos being empty, it is heavier than your average backpack. And yes, the straps are decent, but I definitely wouldn't be able to carry this around all day. So I think it's definitely best on smooth pavements, airports, hotel lobby floors, not so much on jungle paths or cobbled streets. So yeah, just think about what sort of travel that you are doing. And then the final thing, I suppose, would I recommend it? Well, do you know what? I would. If you're a digital nomad, city hopper, or just somebody that likes options, I think, yeah, this is a really solid option. I really do. You don't have to choose between wheels and straps because it actually gives you both. So yeah, I think really my take on the BAGSMART backpack. Yeah, I just think that it's really good. And yes, they did send it to me, but they just want my honest opinions, and I've tried to do that for you. So yeah, if you've got any questions, do drop them in the comments. If you like this review, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more channel content. And I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.